Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss about the electric current. Okay? Suppose we have two charged bodies. One is at higher potential, one is at lower potential, connected through a metallic wire. Connected through a metallic wire. That electric charge will flow from higher potential body to lower potential body till they both acquire same electric potential. Okay? This flow of electric charge through metallic wire in a particular direction is called electric current. We use this formula I is equal to Q upon T to calculate it, where Q is the amount of electric charge and T is time. Okay? We know that we measure charge in coulomb, and if we measure time in second, then current will be in ampere, 1 ampere. Okay? If 1 coulomb charge passing through the cross section of any conductor for 1 second, that means 1 ampere current is flowing. 1 ampere current is flowing. Okay? We use ammeter to measure electric current in a circuit. Okay, if we want to measure current in an electric circuit, then we use ammeter as an instrument. We connect it in a series. Okay, it should be very, very, very low resistance, so that it could not change the value of electric current through the circuit. Okay? Now, how the current flows in a wire? Okay, we have two conditions: in the absence of cell or battery, in the presence of cell or a battery. Okay? In the absence of cell or battery, electrons inside the wire, inside the conductor, moves randomly and collide with each other and gives negligible value of current. You can say current is zero. Okay, current is zero. But in the presence of cell or battery, here I connect a cell. Okay, this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Positive terminal means this will be positive, or negative terminal means this end is negative, becomes negative. So when a conductor connected to a cell or battery, then electron starts moving in a particular direction. Electron starts moving towards the positive terminal. Okay? That means if electron moves towards positive terminal, then the current will flow just opposite to the direction of flowing electron. Okay? The direction of flow of current is just opposite to the direction of flow of electron. Electron is moving towards positive terminal, and current will flow towards negative terminal, positive to negative terminal. Okay? Now, there is a question always asked in the examination. An electric bulb draws a current of 0.25 ampere for 20 minutes. Calculate the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Okay? At first, given what we have, current of 0.25 ampere. The value of I is 0.25 ampere. For 20 minutes, we have time 20 minutes. 20 into 60, we convert it in second. That means 1200 second. Okay, we have to find out the value of Q. We know the formula. I is equal to Q upon T. Then Q will be I T. Okay. Now I is 0.25 and time is 1200 second, and after multiplying we get 300. We are calculating charge, that means it will be in coulomb. So the answer is 300 coulomb. Okay, simple, easy to understand, interesting topic. Okay, so do practice yourself and follow the notes. Okay, thank you.